प्यारे बच्चों, आपका मेरे चैनल भगवान GIC कोटद्वार में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम ट्रिगोनोमेट्री में एक्सरसाइज 8.2 के प्रश्नों को सॉल्व करेंगे। आइए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। कंपाइल टेबल ऑफ ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज एंड एंगल्स। यहाँ पर हम 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 नंबर्स लिखेंगे और उनको 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे। अब इनको हम सिंप्लीफाइड करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा 0, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4 और 1। ऑन अप्लाइंग द स्क्वायर रूट साइन, इनके ऊपर स्क्वायर रूट का साइन लगाएंगे। 0, √1/4, √1/2, √3/4। ऑन एक्सट्रैक्टिंग द स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे। 0, 1/2, 1/√2, √3/2 और 1 हो जाएगा। इधर ये टेबल ड्रॉ कर रखा है, आपने इसको लर्न करना है। साइन 0 डिग्री इजक्वल टू 0, साइन 30 डिग्री इजक्वल टू 1/2, साइन 45 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 1/√2, साइन 60 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू √3/2 और साइन 90 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 1। सेम आपने इसी तरह से इनको लर्न करना है। ओके। एक्सरसाइज 8.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डिटरमाइन द वैल्यू sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. There will be a solution. Sin 60 degree multiply cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. We put values here. Sin 60 is equal to √3/2. Multiply cos 30 degree also √3/2 plus sin 30 degree is equal to 1/2 and cos 60 degree also 1/2. √3 multiply √3 is equal to √9 and it will be 3. 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. 3/4 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 2 4. So it will be 3/4 plus 1/4. Add fraction 3 plus 1 4/4. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. The answer will be 1. Second, 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. There will be a solution. 2 multiply tan 45 is equal to 1. 1 to the power 2 plus √3/2 to the power 2 minus √3/2 to the power 2. Then it will be 2 into 1 plus 3/4 minus 3/4. It will be cut from 3/4 to 3/4. Remains 2. The answer will be 2. Question third, cos 45 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. We put values. 1 upon cos 45 degree is equal to 1/√2, cosec 30 degree is equal to 2/√3 and cosec 30 degree is equal to 2. We solve it. 1/√2, 2 plus 2√3/√3. 1/√2 multiply √3 goes up and 2 plus 2/√3 denominator. 1/√2 multiply √3/2 plus 2/√3. It will be √3/2/√2 plus 2/6. We multiply it by 2/√2 minus 2/6 upon 2/√2 minus 2/6. It will be 2/6 minus 2/18 upon 2/2 to the power 2 minus 2/6 to the power 2. We solve it. 2/6 minus 6/2 upon 8 minus 24 minus 2 bracket 3/2 minus √6 bracket close upon minus 16. We solve it. Then it will be 3/2 minus √6 upon 8. Question number 2, second, determine the value 1 minus 10 square 45 degree upon 1 plus 10 square 45 degree is equal to 1 minus 1 to the power 2 upon 1 plus 1 to the power 2. Next, 1 minus 1, it will be 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Dividing 0 by 2, we get 0. The answer will be 0. Question number 3. If 10a plus b is equal to root 3 and 10a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3, 0 degree less than a plus b less than equal to 90 degree. A is greater than b. Find the values of a and b. Solution. Given 10a plus b is equal to root 3 or 10a plus b is equal to 1060 because root 3 is equal to 1060 degree. Replace 10 from both sides, thus a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Equation 1. And 10a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3 or 10a minus b is equal to 1030 degree because 1030 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. We replace 1 upon root 3 by 1030 degree. Replace 10 from both sides, thus a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. 2a is equal to 90 degree or a is equal to 45 degree. Subtracting 2 from equation 1. 2b is equal to 30 degree or b is equal to 15 degree. Thus a is equal to 45 degree and b is equal to 15 degree. Question number 4. Indicate which of the following is true or false. Confirm answer with regions. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b. As theta increases, the value of sin theta also increases. As theta increases, the value of cos theta also increases. A is equal to 0 degree is not defined for cot A. Solution will be, suppose that a is equal to 30 degree and b is equal to 30 degree. Then sin a plus b is equal to sin 30 plus sin 30. 30 plus 30 will be 60 degree. Sin 60 degree means root 3 upon 2 and root 3 upon 2. Sin a plus b barabar sin 30 plus 30 degree. We know sin 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. Also sin 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1. So sin a plus b is equal to not sin a plus sin b. Therefore, the given statement is false. Second, as the value of theta increases, the value of sin theta also increases. But this is only true up to theta is equal to 90 degree, not beyond. Therefore, the given statement is true. It is clear that as the value of theta increases, the value of cos theta does not increase. Therefore, the given statement is true. Thanks for watching.